Welcome to the Bay East MLS Tech Department. Today we're going to explore some of the benefits that the tech support staff can help you with. First, let's meet the team. Consult a tech support representative for MLS questions, computer problems, help inputting a listing, or if you have questions about Bay East products and services. Our in-house tech support is here for you. We understand that your needs are unique. That's why we offer personalized one-on-one training sessions with our tech trainers. Whether you're looking to master a specific task or need guidance navigating the MLS, register for a private training session today. sierragrag.youcanbook.me. We offer mobile access for MLS data on any device. Whether you're in the office, on the road, or meeting clients, these mobile apps ensure you stay connected. Homes.com Pro, HomeSpotter, RPR Mobile, Zip4 Mobile, and Realtor.com app for professionals. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you every step of your real estate journey. Contact the MLS Tech Support via email, web chat, phone call, or in person at www.bayeast.org/techmlssupport. Thanks for watching.